There are dua cara untuk buat your first million the next 5 years. Satu here is that you beli 5 biji of grade A property before 2021. I akan bagi tahu kenapa before 21. And you akan dapat 200k capital gain per property. And if you buy grade A, then normally 100k to 200k tu is like, shouldn't be too difficult lah. And I will explain to you kenapa. Or, if you cannot buy grade A, you beli grade B, grade C property 10 biji before end of 2021. Sebab if satu biji, kalau grade A dapat 200k kan kenaikan harga, kalau B and C 100k, 50k to 100k sebiji. You ada 10, you akan dapat buat 1 million. So remember, grade A 200,000, beli 5. You beli 5, you make 1 million net worth before 5 years from now. Kalau you be grade B yang naik harga 100,000 je, over the next 5 tahun, you kena beli 10. Right? Now, so, ini adalah property grade A, grade B yang kita orang tengah beli tadi today, and these are example yang you boleh tengok. So, for example, yang this one is 550,000 hingga 650,000 rental lepas tolak cost 4,000. Meaning lepas tolak semua management cost dan apa semua tu 4,000. Okay, so therefore kita orang sedang dapat 8 hingga 9% punya rental yield, right? Lepas tu kalau you tengok yang nombor 3 yang kat bawah ni, yang ni lagi ganas sikit lah sebab yang ni beli dah buat duit, right? Sebab bila you beli ni is about 30% below market value and therefore you akan dapat benda ni yang kita panggil cashback. So therefore, even lepas ambil dapat 140,000 cash ni, you akan still dapat positive cash flow dengan rental above 6%. Now, so these are example of grade A hari ni yang memang grade A biasanya tak ada cashback except for the coming one. And grade B biasanya akan ada cashback of 50,000 to about 100,000 but still cash flow positif. Yang penting guys, sewa kena cash flow positif. So kita nak buat dua-dua, capital gain dengan cash flow. Tak kisah apa-apa you beli, sewa kena boleh cover. Okay, now. So I want to do now a real life punya simulation so that you can see my, orang cakap apa tu? You can see my Excel sheet kat sini. I want to make sure that I don't share anything improper. So I don't think you can see my screen sebab kecil sangat. Okay, so let me widen this. Okay, so now guys, I am gonna, this is our investment punya template. So again, we do simulation of cash flow and apa semua tu. So you can see how much you will end up making. So guys, these are sample of 5 biji property. 5 biji property. Okay, 5 biji property. And kita punya assumption kat sini is that, you punya rental punya kenaikan harga ni is basically 1% untuk 5 tahun pertama, lepas tu 3% untuk tahun seterusnya. Itu assumption kita of kenaikan harga sewa. Untuk capital gain pula guys, kita punya ramalan even though property ni adalah grade A, kita cuma assume harga rumah tu naik 5% saja setahun. So guys, kalau korang ingat tadi, dalam contoh yang kita pakai the 3 numbers tadi, Malaysia average is 15% over 29 tahun. KL average is 11% over 19 tahun. Selangor average is 9% over 19 tahun. Kalau jual tu you dapat 1.5. Assumption yang kita pakai dalam case tadi ni adalah cuma and net positive cash flow at that point of time expect. So maksudnya I ni lebih konservatif ke ataupun lebih agresif? I lebih konservatif. I guna 5% je. Now on 5 biji property, okay, ni result anda in 5 years from now. If you buy for example this example of grade A property, you akan dapat kenaikan harga bila kalau jual tu you dapat 1.599 million, 1.6 million lah senang cerita. And net positive cash flow at that point of time expected to be anything between 6,000 hingga 8,000 sebulan. This is result daripada 5 biji grade A property. Now, what happens kalau korang end up beli 10? So ni kita enable grade A property lain. Okay. Berapakah nombornya? There you go guys. Korang beli 10 grade A. On kenaikan harga 5% saja guys. Not 9%, not 11%, not 15%. 5%. So we are being very conservative here. You will make 3 million net worth. Okay. This is the power of bila you beli grade A property, you akan dapat cash flow dan you akan juga dapat capital gain. So which is why, for example, when we use road to 3 million dulu in the past, kita siap bagi orang cakap offer lagi kepada siapa-siapa yang boleh buktikan my plan to get to 3 million ni unsafe ataupun tak boleh buat, I will give you a 100% refund on class. So far tak ada seorang pun berjaya claim 100% refund. So guys, I'm going to repeat. If you play your cards properly and beli grade A property in the next 18 months and then you beli 5 biji, you'll make 1.6 million. If you beli 10, you'll make 3.2 million. Right? And potentially kalau you beli grade A yang betul-betul grade A, whereby you akan dapat cash flow positif of even potentially lebih pada 5 angka. So guys, property buran rarely happens. It normally happens once every 10 to 20 years. When it happens, please do something about it. Okay, please do something. Sebab benda ni bukan selalu berlaku. There's a reason why my staff tadi, Nas, sanggup tak makan tengah fikir apa next property dia nak beli ni after they hear this announcement, because you know we were 90% sure, now we are 99% sure. Therefore guys, you know this information, you know this advantage hari ni lepas dah tonton benda ni malam ni. Do something, please. Because if you look at my example, I was very lucky. You know, I bought 20 biji property before property buran, and after that, you had a property buran within 7 years, I made 5 million. So I made more than whatever I show kat sini. So guys, if you cakap benda ni tak boleh buat, that just simply means you tak tahu macam mana nak buat, you tak ada experience macam nak buat, you don't know who has done it before. For me, I think benda ni is natural, is very, orang cakap, predictable. Bila you beli certain type of property, bukan semua, certain type of property. Like I said, you buy focus grade A, grade B. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go back to my slide tadi and sambung. So you see the live simulation tadi dengan 5 property of grade A. Okay, 5 property grade A tadi. So 5 property grade A you dapat 1.6 million over 5 years. Kalau you beli 10 of grade A you dapat 1.6. Otherwise you have to buy grade 10, grade B, grade C property before end of 2021 and then you dapat 100k gain per property. So again guys, these are example of benda yang kita orang tengah beli. So it's not only is undervalued by 20 to 30%, and not only that, it's cash flow positive even after you dapat duit cash. So to us, these are one of the best properties that we can buy today. And you know, my client pun terperanjat bila dia pergi sales gallery, diorang kena bayar more than 100,000 more on their own kalau compared to beli under par capital, simply because like I said, kita ada bulk price.